Episode 37. Gotta double check.
I'm pretty sure it's 37.
Pretty sure it's 37. Getting a little rough on these.
So I told you, 37,
We got
man.
some two-wheel drive buggies here. This one's Team Associated. That one's the Team Associated. You can tell they're different color. Got any more brain busters? Let's do it.
You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome. Episode 37.
36.
37.
37.
37. You're one behind again.
One behind again.
We're off 34, so now we're on 36. Still stuck on 36 for Hebert, but it's really 37. So, welcome. Sorry for the last video. It's a little bit long. We're trying something a little bit different. Yeah, it was a little long.
It was a little long.
A little long. But hey, you have to try it. So we're going to talk about some racing. Chris and I and Katie and Dad and a couple other people from the shop were racing last weekend. We're going to talk about Chris's UDR build. And we got some stuff to give away thanks to our friends at Saskatoon Puzzle Master. So check them out as well. But we'll have a couple posts on Facebook on how to enter that.
You might find those puzzling.
What he said. He's smart. But yeah, welcome to episode 37. Let's get right into it. Okay, so we were racing last week. Chris didn't bring his car.
No.
He didn't think that we should put it on.
Didn't know I needed it, but I mean.
But it was Chris's first race.
Yeah.
How did you do, Chris?
I think I did pretty good. I was fairly slow, but not as slow as some other people. So I mean, I did all right.
You don't give yourself enough credit. I think you did really damn good.
It was fun.
You were in the fast heat all 3 rounds. So that's a big accomplishment.
Yeah.
There was 11 or 12 four-wheel drive buggies.
Yeah, there was a lot.
Yeah, and you kind of bounced from 5th to 6th in the fast heat. So I think you did
for a lap or two.
I think you did pretty darn good. You were actually in the lead.
Yeah,
for
a couple laps there.
Yeah.
And then
But I think you did good. So how's that techno handling?
It's handling good. Yeah.
Good.
Got the wiring all cleaned up. I changed the servo to a ProTech 160T instead of a 150T. So
Is that one your UDR, right?
Yeah, the 150T is now in the UDR. So,
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. So are you enjoying the racing? Going to continue to do it?
Yeah, I think so. For now, until I get sick of you guys.
Ouch. Right in the bumper. Like that hurts right in my feels.
These darn racers, they're all concerned with going straight. I just want to go sideways.
Yeah, slideways. Loose is fast. Right, Ricky?
Right.
Good. Okay. So yeah, that's racing stuff. So now let's show you some extra footage that we had from Dundurn there a couple weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. So yeah, there you go. See some questions. Oh, that's not a bad deal. You should come out with one of those mini trophies. Oh. Score. Unlucky bounce. Unlucky bounce. They're just ripping around the track. Yeah, we're just out here having a good practice day. So we are going to be running next Sunday. We're going to start around 9:30 here and go about to 3:30, 4 o'clock. This is the new layout. Chris and I just wanted to show you what is going on and where we like to have fun all winter. This is Chris's first time ever.
First time off-road racing.
First time ever off-road racing. He's usually a basher, and that's why, right there. But he's having lots of fun with his new Techno. That has a Hobbywing just stock 10.5 system in it, so a cheap, inexpensive way to get into the hobby, especially if you want to start racing. So it's a lot of fun. So we have a lot of people running slashes, 2-wheel drives, 4-wheel drives. We have a lot of these new Techno buggies. We have a whole bunch of 2-wheel drives as well. So we're kind of all over the map. The classes are going to run. But again, this is out in Dundurn, the Saskatoon Off-Road Radio Control Club. If you want to check out their website, it's skoffroad.ca. Or you can check out their Facebook group, Sask Off-Road Radio Control Club, or Saskatoon Off-Road Radio Control Club on Facebook. And you can get all the dates and race times that way as well. So we're having lots of fun. See you guys later.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
No, you guys are very welcome. Have a good one. Katie, you were driving, and I was trying to get a video of you driving, but now you're over in the pits.
No, she's tuning.
She's tuning. She's gonna get that car more dialed in than I could get it last year. That's what's gonna happen. Hey, Sharp, we need those right there. Whoever wants memberships, we do have them at the track as well. So, Caitlin Fair, you were watching the video. I was trying to get you a video driving.
It's not enough turning.
Not enough turning.
Not enough turning.
Well, that sounds like a true racer. Oh, it doesn't turn good enough. Doesn't turn good enough. So she's running the B6 I ran last year. That's a championship winning car, you know.
Not anymore.
Ah, I beg to differ. You'll be fine. First time driving, you're good. So, yeah. Oh, we got Marcel tuning now too.
Just trying to get it out there for a first run here.
First run? Oh, he's getting the Yokomo out. Mason Henderson's washing. How jealous do you think he is right now?
Oh, very jealous. Can't believe how smooth it went together, this kit.
Yeah.
No, yeah.
Not an associated.
No sanding, anything.
Yeah.
Still eating my fries.
Still eating your glue?
Yeah, I'm still gluing my fries and eating my.
Yeah. He's gonna, after gluing those tires, he's gonna have all the tires glued, and then all the fries are just gonna be one big chunk. So, this is my pit stall. There's my EV410. Just getting the two-wheel drive ready to go for next week. So I thought we better get Katie's car going before mine, so she can come out and practice. Evan's still hanging out. And there's Dave again. Nice gallop. That was smooth. That was really smooth. You're a Mustang. Dave, you better not crack in the pieces. To get a different view here of the track. So this is at the end of the front, that quad. So let's see who can do it here. Double. Oh, single. Oh yeah, there we go. This is gonna be a fun one for some of these cars. That first step up has really been the tricky part. Oh, here comes Diebert. Oh, Diebert, nice and smooth. Look at him go, just ripping. He's getting the hang of this racing thing. He's going to have to be one we have to watch out for, I'm pretty sure. Let's see, here he comes. Oh, a little bit of a huckabuck there. So that section down in here, it's quite hard because if you look at it, it's off camber down in, and you have to jump down and then jump back in there. So it's quite tricky. Oh! Whoop! Back on the wheels. Self-mark though, and away they go. Here comes Gord. He's also from McDowell, so we have a bunch of racers that travel. One of them that's not here with us today is Mason. I know you're watching here, but Mason is actually all the way from Weyburn, so quite far to drive to come play with us, but we appreciate it. So thank you, Mason. Oh, let's go. Oh, he's got reverse. See? On race days, that's cheating. Practice days, we allow it. Here, let's get a good picture of this jump here. That was nice. That's some good air. So it's not a huge jump, but it definitely has a good kick to it. And you can see over there, that off camber is pretty big. So here comes Diebert. Let's see if he tries it. Oh, got a weird bounce off there. Still makes it though. That just stock 10.5 system has a lot of jam. Couple two-wheel drive flashes here. Oh, there goes four-wheel drive buggy, tucking it big. Carnage zone. Okay, here comes Diebert again. Oh, I got it, Diebert. I'll marshal. Thank you. You're welcome. There you go. Still make it. Nice. Oh, stuck on the pipe. Welcome. Yeah, a good view of what's going on here. Go inside this hot tub section off camber. This is where a lot of people are gonna make up time or lose a lot of time. Right through in here. So we'll see what happens. Kind of scared. I'm kind of in the danger zone. The big jumps like right behind me. Oh, there's a car. Oh, am I too fat? Is that what you're trying to tell me? They're telling me I'm too fat, so I'm gonna have to move. Jerks. Fine, I'll sit over here then. Yeah, fine. Pretty rude. Oh, there's Hicks. His brand new EV410. Oh. There goes Gordon, the mold tool. Huh? Oh, the new Yokomo. Oh, Deebert! He crashed! Put her in the cabbage! Oh, Deebert. Put her right in the cabbage, but we fixed them. We're good. So, that right there, brand new Yokomo YZ4 SF, so the championship edition. Let's see how Marcel wheels it around. Mr. Team Orion. Oh, that was pretty clean. There goes Hicks. Hicks and Deebert look like they're practicing together right now. Oops. Oh no! Oh no! We got Kid upside down sideways. Ah! I'll save you! I'll save you! We're good. Oh, that's a buggy. Cross the tracks where they kill us. Oh, Deebert! Deebert! There it goes. It's ripping. Handles those bumps quite nicely. Lands on that tabletop perfect. There goes Chance and his EB410. Hicks and his EB410. That car, if you follow us on Instagram at Ultra RC Hobbies, that is the Losi we just soldered up. So that is an old, Carnage. That is an old 2240. So 4-wheel drive 10-scale buggy from back in the 90s. Early 2000s. Like Chance ran Gord up the berm. So, as you can hear behind me, all these guys are having a ton of fun on the stand. And they're, this is all what we're about here at the race club. So, we're all about having fun and racing. So, this is a practice day out here in Dundurn again. So, the Ultra team, I guess, all the people that really work here other than Chad and Mum are here testing their new cars out for the upcoming race season out here in Dundurn. So this is the open practice day. We will be having our first race next week, next Sunday, from 10 till 4:30. So if you want to come check it out, we're just in the Dundurn Sports Complex. So over there is the hockey rink. We share a space with them. So if you guys want to come out and have some fun, stop by the shop and we can give you some more details. But be sure to watch. We'll have a live that next Sunday as well. And we'll have a live kind of telling everyone what's going down as well, how we're doing. So make sure you follow that. But thank you guys so much for tuning in for this live. I'll have it as a watchable video after the fact. That's no big deal. I'm gonna save all these cars. Oh, I see him. I'll save Hicks. Somehow he's way off the track here. Brayden, why aren't you here racing with us, buddy? Oh, Shark going big. Going real big. Let's get a little bit of a different view here. Okay, well that's it. I'll see you guys here shortly. We'll have some more videos here. I think Chris is gonna have a little bit of a video going on here in a bit, so stay tuned. Thanks, guys.
So, my Traxxas UDR.
Hashtag Project NewDR.
Yeah. Which I only got 2 comments for body designs, and I really liked them, so that was really impressive. So I'm gonna have to throw those on there. So I got the rear diff all rebuilt. We're gonna go to the time lapse of that. I also spent some time painting the jack and the handle. I modified the fans, lots of little scale stuff. Put a NOS bottle in it because that's really cool.
That's an extra 50 horsepower.
Yeah. It doesn't have a body, but it's got a NOS bottle.
Yeah, so have you decided like colors or anything yet?
I might just go with like the red and gold, just like my race car. I might do the same styling as the previous 2 Yeti bodies. So red with gold lightning bolts.
Just like thinking in
and
my
then
head.
fade from red to gold into the back.
So I'm just thinking in my head, you know what it's gonna look like?
Kinda.
Yeah, naked Iron Man.
Yeah,
New
it's
DR
gonna be
Iron Man.
New DR Iron Man.
Marvel's gonna be mad at us. We made Iron Man naked and such.
But the fans was my favorite thing. If you didn't know, on the UDR, they actually have real little fans inside of the little radiator. So you can actually drill some holes and actually make the fans spin if you blow on them. So that was a neat discovery.
I like the extra detail though. You painted some stuff up. It looks good.
It's far from good, but good from far.
Yeah, good point. So let's, I guess,
Here's the
give
time
him
lapse.
the time lapse.
As you can see, this one is a puzzle.
It's a puzzle.
A puzzle. One of my favorite bands, Iron Maiden. I like the names.
Ready? Okay, so our good friends at Saskatoon Puzzle Master came and did a video with us and gave us a whole bunch of puzzles to kind of give away. So we'll be giving away a couple every week. And there's going to be some as well to do with maybe 1,500 likes on Facebook. We're like 1493. Like, we're so close.
Come on, we need 7 people.
7 people. Like, give me a break of that Kit
Throw
Kat
me a
bar.
bone.
No. So what we're gonna do for a giveaway is we are going to do a contest that you have to comment an RC related question and like this video. Okay. So it can be any sort of RC question, but we'll pick the best ones. Like, it'll be Chris and I picking the best comment on the question. So it'd be like, if you do a good question, you might win a puzzle. And they're fun. We tried them out. I sucked. Mom was way better at them than me.
I didn't try any. But I did try the one after everyone else. That
Yeah,
I figured it out within 12 seconds.
Yeah, it was
garbage. I could have won some money at that game.
Okay, so the ones we're giving away are the Beetlebug. This is a level 7, so it'll be kind of challenging. We're going to give away the Jester, which is also a level 7.
Just like the band Iron Maiden, and that is a level 6. And then we have a puzzle. Puzzle.
It's a puzzle.
And that's
silly.
difficulty number 7.
So it's difficult enough to say, let alone to try and undo
letter
it.
7.
So remember, comment your questions down below on anything to do with RCs. But it has to be good. Otherwise, we're not going to pick you to win. So make sure it's a legit question and make it good. Make it challenging. And then we'll talk about it on the show for next episode.
Give you an A for effort.
Yay, I get an A puzzle! And even if we don't pick your question for a winner, we will still feature it on a future episode of the Ultra RC Hobbies Show. That's like a tongue twister.
At least I'll answer it for
Man,
you.
all these puzzles got my mind just confuzzled. I don't even know what to do. But thanks again to Saskatoon Puzzle Master for donating these prizes to us.
Yeah.
And thanks for coming
these
down.
when I was a kid all the time. They're tons of fun.
They're fun. We're gonna stock these as well. These ones and some other ones for Christmas. So if you need a stocking stuffer or have the person that's just really, really hard to buy for, we'll be getting some puzzles in stock as well for that. Thank you for tuning in to episode 37, Ultra RC Hobby Show.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
Don't forget to share with all your friends on Facebook. Remember, 1,500 likes is going to be another
We're only
giveaway.
a few away.
Only 7 away, according to today. Don't forget to put a comment down below for an RC question so we can give away some of these puzzles. And yeah, thank you again for watching. Thank you for your continued support. 37 weeks. 37 weeks. It's been awesome. It's been actually really fast.
Yeah.
Like, thinking about it, 37 weeks has kind of gone by pretty fast. So, thank you again for watching. See you on the next one.